In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a product to the cart on Shopify. We'll walk through how to use your theme editor to add buy buttons directly onto your product cards in a featured collection, so customers can add items to their cart and even go straight to checkout without visiting the full product page. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for Online Store and click it. This is where all of your themes and storefront settings live. Under the themes section, find the theme you're currently using on your store. Next to that theme, click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, which lets you visually customize how your store looks and behaves. Once the theme editor is open, focus on the left panel. This panel shows the structure of your page, all the sections and blocks that make up the template you're editing. Make sure you're viewing a page that actually uses a featured collection, such as your home page. Under the template area, look for the featured collection section. Click on it to expand its content. Inside this section, you'll see different blocks, and one of them will be the product card. Select the product card block. Within that block, you'll see an option to add block. Click Add Block, and a pop-up will appear showing all the available elements you can add. From the list of available blocks, find and select Buy Buttons. This block adds the interactive purchase options directly to each product card. Once you've added the Buy Buttons block, you can drag and drop it to change its order. For a cleaner layout, drag it so it appears under the media, meaning under the product image on the card. This keeps your design visually intuitive for customers. As soon as you add and position the Buy Buttons, look at the preview on the right side of the editor. You should now see on each product card in your featured collection a quantity selector, an add to cart button, and an accelerated checkout or buy it now button. Here's how it works for your customers. When they click the buy it now button on a product card, Shopify will automatically add that product to their cart and send them straight to the checkout page. This reduces friction and can help increase conversion, especially for customers who already know what they want. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works in the preview, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. After that, your storefront will update and customers will immediately be able to use the new buttons in your featured collection.